All over the internet, there are pages and pages on scientific concepts that can be extraordinarily interesting but very difficult to grasp the general idea of. I've spent the last few years reading Wikipedia articles, science journals, research articles, and more to understand the topics and be able to explain them in the easiest way possible. Welcome to Layman's Science. Enjoy the video. This video covers some topics quickly and is designed for the viewer to pause at any step as to learn more about the topic. Feel free to pause at any time to try and grasp the concept I am discussing. I am going to explain to you how by simply observing a part of an experiment you are able to change the outcome using simple probability changes. One famous example of this is the double slit experiment, which I will not go into detail about in this video, but I have linked some great videos in the description below about it. This might seem confusing or impossible, but I will explain it to you in a way that you can understand using simple fractions and numbers, as well as concepts that you are familiar with. If you take two coins, each one with a head side and a tail side, and you flip one coin, there will be a 50% chance of getting heads on that one coin, and a 50% chance of getting tails on that one coin. If you flip both coins, there will be a 25% chance that both will be heads, a 25% chance that both will be tails, and a 50% chance that one will be heads and one will be tails. There is a 50% chance that they will both be the same, and a 50% chance that they will not be the same, because if you add both 25% chances together, you get 50%. Now if you were to flip both coins but not observe them by covering them when they land, there is still a 25% chance that both are heads and a 25% chance that both are tails. As soon as you observe or measure the state of one of the coins by looking at it, you change the probability completely. If you are confused, I will now explain. If you observe one of the coins and see the coin is heads, you realize that now there is not a 25% chance that both will be tails because one of them is heads. There is still a 50% chance that the other coin is a head and a 50% chance that the other coin is a tail, but now there's a 50% chance that both coins are heads, different from the initial 25% chance that both will be heads. You change this simply by observing the state of one of the coins. Here I give you the differences of the probabilities before and after you look at one of the coins. As you can see, there is a difference. There is still the fundamental 50% chance that they are both going to be identical and the same 50% chance that they will not be identical. This gives a brief example on how you can change the probability of an experiment just by observing a bit of it. I encourage you to pursue this topic more if you are interested. I have linked some great videos and articles in the description.